Packing a 50-kilogram bag sounds simple, but choosing the wrong bagging system can reduce accuracy, increase labor costs, and make future expansion more difficult. Let's look inside a modern bulk bagging line and see what really matters. These systems are used for animal feed, fertilizers, grains, powders, plastic resins, recycled materials, and many other bulk products. The right setup depends on your product, your packaging, and your production target. In a semi-automatic system, the operator places the bag under the filling outlet. The machine clamps the bag securely, fills to the target weight, and releases it onto the conveyor. For many small and medium factories, this is still a practical and cost-effective solution. Bag closing depends on the packaging material. Paper bags often include a plastic inner liner. The liner is heat-sealed first to protect the product from moisture and contamination. The outer bag is then stitched for extra strength during transport and storage. After filling and sealing, quality control is still important. The bag can pass through a metal detector before the final weight is verified. These checks help ensure every finished bag meets the required specification before it leaves the line. One of the first decisions is how product reaches the weighing system. For fine powders such as flour, starch, cement, chemical powders, and mineral additives, an Auger conveyor is often the preferred choice. The enclosed screw helps control product flow while significantly reducing dust emissions, creating a cleaner working environment and improving weighing consistency. However, Auger conveyors are generally less suitable for large granules, fragile products, or materials that can bridge or compact inside the screw. For free-flowing products such as animal feed pellets, grains, seeds, fertilizers, plastic resin, recycled plastic flakes, and many granular materials, a bucket elevator is often the better solution. The product is lifted gently to the hopper above the weighing system, where the bag is automatically clamped in position before filling. This clamping mechanism supports the full bag weight during filling, improving weighing accuracy while reducing operator effort. Bucket elevators are well suited to higher capacity applications where product integrity and continuous material flow are important. Larger systems may include elevated platforms, PLC controls, and better operator access. But more automation is not always the right answer. The right system depends on your production volume, available floor space, labor cost, and future expansion plans. For higher production rates, automatic bag placing can reduce labor and improve consistency. But the best bagging line is not simply the most automated one. It is the one that delivers the accuracy, throughput, and flexibility your business needs. This has been Factory IQ, Smarter Factory Decisions, brought to you by PAT Manufacturing Solutions, helping manufacturers make smarter decisions.